Hey guys, we're just sitting right here with my puppy Firecracker. Well, he's not really a puppy. I've had him for a while since my birthday. And my birthday started September 7th. I know it's already passed, and now I'm 10 years old. It was quite a while ago. Yeah, it was quite a while ago, guys. But I just want to let y'all know this is going to be the first episode of Firecracker. I'm just going to call it Super Duper Firecracker Thursday. Yeah. Do you like that voice? You like it? Yeah. I knew you'd like it. So, guys, just know that you guys are going to see a lot of Super Firecracker Thursday. I mean, yeah, that's it. Yeah. Well, just wanted to give you guys the update on the new season I'm going to be making. Maybe a little longer episode. But just know you guys may be seeing another channel or not. Maybe not. But you might not, because I really don't have the time for another channel. But I just want to let y'all know, yeah, there's a new season coming. I guess I'm just going to make this the first episode. I'm going to call it episode 0. That since this is going to be how the new season is gonna come. Well, I may also do it on days that's not. I think I'm just gonna call this series Super Firecracker Weekend. No. Super Firecracker Week. No, Super Firecracker Day. And I just want to say, actually, I'm going to call this series Firecracker Days. And I just want to say, this is episode 0 of it. And goodbye.